Meaning of epigram.
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 Epigram. An epigram is a short, witty, and often satirical or paradoxical statement. It typically consists of a few lines of verse or prose and communicates a concise and memorable message. Epigrams are often used to make a point, poke fun at a particular person or idea, or provide a clever commentary on a given situation. They have been a popular form of expression for centuries, with examples found in ancient Greek and Roman literature, as well as modern literature. Overall, an epigram is a pithy and well-crafted statement that conveys a sharp insight or humorous observation.